Alright, in today's lesson we're going to be covering one of the more common fills you'll hear in metal songs, and you also kind of get in heavier rock songs. It's a great fill. You get loads of power because you're breaking up the fill between the hands and the feet. Okay, so basically the pattern is really simple. It's straight 16ths. You're doing 2 on the hands, 2 on the feet, 2 on the hands, 2 on the feet, 2 on the hands, 2 on the feet. I'll just quietly count this through for you. It'll be 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. One more time. That's 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, I'm going to start this out just playing it along with a click track. We'll just start at 100 BPM, nice and slow. I'll play it on the snare and then I'll move it around the kit, just going down the toms. As you can see, it's once you get into the rhythm, it is very easy. It's quite consistent. It's a good one to put to memory that you can use whenever you're trying to come up with something new and creative. We'll push the tempo a bit more now. We'll go up to 180. I'll mix it up, so I'll do a bar of beat and then a bar of fill, just so you get a bit more of an idea of what it would sound like in like a song situation. So that's the essential of the fill. That's the basic way you can play it. You're keeping your hands both matching around together. Once you've kind of got that mastered, obviously push the tempo, go as fast as you want to go, and then I recommend opening up the hands. So you mix in between maybe a snare and a floor tom, snare and a tom, lead with the left, lead with the right, switch it around and just come up with something creative. I'm going to crank the tempo up a bit more. We'll go to 200 and I'll start opening the fill around the kit and show you some more examples of how you could use this.